In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play offline here in Mobile Legends. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to play offline here in Mobile Legends, don't worry, this guide's for you and we're going to walk you through the entire process step by step. First things first, what you're going to want to do is first exit out of Mobile Legends just like so, and just turn off your Wi-Fi or cell service by just hitting the airplane mode icon just like so, and then get loaded back into Mobile Legends. It's going to take a second to load as you get loaded in this time, a lot longer than it usually does. In fact, it will look like it gets stuck at this point for a minute, so just be patient. But eventually you're going to have an option that says system notice, unable to connect to server. Do you want to enter in offline mode? Hit confirm and it'll begin loading again. From here, you'll have an option to do classic and you can just select whatever hero you would like. Or you can do AI training. It's completely up to you. Just keep in mind, you're going to be playing against AIs no matter what. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.